The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Donna!
Hi, Sophie!
I brought my friend to set up her plan. Donna,
Hi! It's been so wonderful. From the moment we walked in, I felt really at home. My financial planner was so easy to talk to. She understands me. I know what I want. I feel like she really wants me to achieve my goals. It's easy. I am happy.
You deserve people who really stand for you. You deserve JMMB. Welcome to the family. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report, and we begin with news on the foreign exchange market, where the Jamaican dollar weakened against the three regularly traded international currencies today. In other words, the US and Canadian dollars as well as the British pound strengthened against the Jamaican dollar. The greenback gained 6 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $106.37, whilst the Canadian dollar jumped by 62 cents Jamaican to close at $100.63. Sterling advanced by 94 cents Jamaican to close at $174.63. The banks and other licensed financial institutions bought $26.8 million and sold $33.3 million, or 24% more than what they bought. The selling rate of the American dollar peaked as high as $110.21 Jamaican today. Foreign investors appear to be betting on the worst rout in Latin American currencies since 2008 will extend into 2014 as commodity exports slump and rising U.S. bond yields lure money out of the region. Are small Caribbean economies like Jamaica being sucked into this vortex? Here's the latest. The Bloomberg JP Morgan Latin American Currency Index for the region's 6 most traded currencies fell by 9.6% this year and declined today within 1% of a 4-year low. International investors essentially boosted wagers to almost $22 billion that Brazil's real will keep falling. Analysts surveyed by Bloomberg only forecast Mexico's peso will avoid further losses in the Latin American region in 2014. News on the Jamaican stock market now, and the stock market indices suffered marginal losses today. The main JC index slipped to 137 points, or 1/10%. 30 stocks traded, with 13 advancing, 10 declining, and 7 holding firm. Mayberry, which traded firm, accounted for almost 2/3 of business. It's the time of the year when investors welcome dividends, however small. Barita Investments Board of Directors has passed a resolution for an interim dividend of 3 cents per share, payable on January 27 to shareholders on record as of January 10, 2014. The board at Caribbean Producers has declared an interim dividend of 3 cents per share, payable on January 31 to shareholders on record as at January 16, 2014. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, the electronic media landscape is shaping up to be very interesting in 2014. One radio entity has some innovative ideas regarding breathing more energy into downtown Kingston, and it involves those wily entrepreneurs traditionally called higglers, but who are now dubbed city entrepreneurs. Changes are also in the air regarding talk show radio. The positive movement in one entity's share price is said to have been triggered by a huge chunk of new revenue. Let's watch this one. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.